If you're training hard, eating well, but feel like your results are slow, maybe what you're missing isn't effort, it's strategy. Many people fail to unlock creatine's full potential simply because they don't know how to use it properly. That was me too. I thought tossing it into a shake was enough. I had no idea that the type, dosage, timing, and even what you eat with it could make a real difference. But once I figured it out, the results started to show. Creatine is one of the most studied and effective supplements in the world, yet myths, confusion, and small mistakes keep many from seeing real progress. And sadly, those tiny details are often what hold people back. That's why today I'm giving you a complete, proven plan to get the most out of creatine without wasting time or money. And if you want to go further, I've got an exclusive guide we created just for you, but it's only available for a short time. Let's break it down. Creatine is a natural substance your body already makes, and it plays a surprisingly important role in how your muscles function. You might have heard about it in the gym or seen it on supplement shelves, but creatine isn't just for bodybuilders or elite athletes. In fact, every single person has creatine in their body, whether they work out or not. It's a compound that's absolutely essential for quick, explosive movements. Think sprinting, jumping, or lifting something heavy. But where does it actually come from? Your body produces creatine mainly in your liver, kidneys, and pancreas. These organs work together to synthesize creatine from amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. It's a natural process that happens every day, whether you're aware of it or not. Once it's made, creatine travels through your bloodstream and finds its way to your muscles, where it's stored for when you need it most. Inside your muscles, creatine acts like a reserve energy source. It's stored as creatine phosphate, just waiting to be called into action. When you suddenly need to move fast or lift something heavy, your muscles tap into this reserve to generate energy quickly. This is especially important during short, intense bursts of activity, like that final push at the end of a set, or when you're sprinting to the finish line. Think of creatine as your muscles' backup battery, recharging your main energy source, ATP or adenosine triphosphate. ATP is what your muscles use for energy, but it runs out quickly during intense exercise. That's where creatine steps in, helping to rapidly regenerate ATP so you can keep going. It's like having a portable charger for your muscles, letting you squeeze out those last few reps or seconds of effort. When you're lifting heavy weights or sprinting, your muscles burn through ATP in just a few seconds. Without enough creatine, you'd hit a wall much sooner. But with a good supply, you can push harder and recover faster between sets. That's why creatine is so popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It gives you that extra edge when you need it most. Supplementing with creatine helps top up your muscle stores, making sure you always have enough on hand for those tough workouts. It's not just about lifting more weight, it's about being able to do more work overall, whether that means more reps, more sets, or just feeling less fatigued as you train. Over time, this can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, power, and muscle growth. That extra rep or two at the end of your set, that's where real muscle growth happens. It's those moments when you push past your usual limits that your body adapts and gets stronger. Creatine helps you reach those moments more often, making your workouts more effective and your progress more consistent. Of course, creatine isn't magic. It won't build muscle while you sit on the sofa or skip your workouts. It's a tool, not a shortcut. You still have to put in the effort, challenge your muscles, and stick to a solid training routine. But if you're willing to work, creatine can help you get more out of every session. The real benefit of creatine is that it helps you train harder and recover faster. Whether you're an athlete, a weekend warrior, or just someone looking to get fitter, being able to push through fatigue and keep improving is what drives results. It's about maximizing your potential, one workout at a time. Imagine hitting a wall at rep 8. Creatine helps you break through to 9 or even 10. Those extra reps might not seem like much in the moment, but over weeks and months they add up to serious gains in strength and muscle size. Over time, those small wins add up to real progress. You'll notice your muscles getting bigger, your lifts getting heavier, and your endurance improving. It's a gradual process, but creatine helps you stay on track and keep moving forward. And here's something a lot of people don't realize. Creatine isn't some weird artificial chemical. It's found naturally in foods like red meat and fish, and your body uses it every single day. Supplementing just helps you get a little more than you'd get from diet alone, especially if you're training hard. So, when we talk about creatine for muscle growth, we're really talking about fueling better, more intense workouts and supporting your body's natural processes. It's simple, effective, and backed by science, helping you unlock your full potential in the gym and beyond. Supplements can be confusing, but creatine stands out for one reason: it works, and it's backed by mountains of research. Unlike most supplements, creatine has been studied for decades. Hundreds of studies show it boosts strength, power, and muscle mass. It's not hype or gym gossip, it's proven science. Most supplements offer tiny, barely noticeable benefits. Creatine's effects are clear and measurable. People often lift heavier and do more reps within weeks of starting. It's safe, effective, and affordable. A smart first step for anyone new to supplements. Forget the flashy, expensive stuff. Creatine delivers real results you can see and feel. It's the ultimate game changer for your training. Ready to try creatine? Stick with creatine monohydrate, the original and best. Ignore the fancy versions with big promises and bigger price tags. Monohydrate is the form used in almost all research, and it's proven to be safe and effective. The newer types aren't better, and sometimes they're less effective. Most people don't get side effects if they use the right dose and drink enough water. Don't fall for marketing, just use the classic plain powder. Look for a reputable brand, maybe micronized for easier mixing, but that's optional. It's cheap, simple, and works brilliantly. Keep it simple and you'll get the best results. Got your creatine? If you're ready to start supplementing, you might be wondering, what's the best way to kick things off? Should you go all in, or take it slow and steady? Let's break down the two main approaches so you can decide what fits your goals and lifestyle. There are two ways to start: fast or slow. Each has its own pros and cons, and the choice really comes down to your personal preference and how quickly you want to see results. The fast way is called a loading phase. Here's how it works. You take 20 grams of creatine a day, split into 4 smaller doses for about 5 to 7 days. This method is designed to saturate your muscles with creatine as quickly as possible, so you can start experiencing the benefits, like increased strength and improved performance, within just a week. But there's a catch. Loading can sometimes cause mild bloating or stomach discomfort for some people, especially if you're not used to taking supplements. It's not dangerous, but it can be a little uncomfortable. If you're sensitive to changes in your routine, keep this in mind. The slow way: just take 3 to 5 grams a day from the start. No loading, no hassle. This approach is super simple. Just add a scoop to your daily routine and you're good to go. No need to split doses or keep track of extra servings. It takes a bit longer, about 3 to 4 weeks, to fully saturate your muscles with creatine this way. But the process is gentle, and you're much less likely to experience any side effects. It's a great option if you prefer a laid-back, no-fuss approach. Both methods work. The main difference is how quickly you want to see results. If you're eager to boost your performance fast, loading gets you there sooner. If you're patient and want to keep things simple, the slow and steady route is just as effective in the long run. If you want quick benefits, go for the loading phase. You'll notice changes in your workouts and recovery in just a week or so. It's perfect for those who want to hit the ground running. If you prefer simple and steady, skip loading. Just take your daily scoop, stay consistent, and let the results build up over time. There's no rush. Your muscles will still get all the creatine they need. After a month, both approaches get you to the same place. Muscles full of creatine, primed for action, and ready to help you crush your fitness goals. So, choose the method that fits your style and stick with it. Whether you're a planner who likes to see fast results or someone who prefers a more relaxed approach, both paths lead to the same destination. No need to overthink it. The most important thing is to be consistent and make creatine a regular part of your routine. Loading is faster but not necessary for everyone. If you're not in a hurry, the slow and steady method is just as effective. Daily small doses are easy, convenient, and effective. Just add it to your morning smoothie, water, or whatever works for you. Either way, you'll get the benefits. Just be consistent, trust the process, and let creatine do its thing for your muscles and performance. Want to boost creatine absorption? Take it with carbs or protein. Eating carbs or protein spikes insulin, which helps shuttle creatine into your muscles. Mix your creatine with fruit juice or have it with a banana or your post-workout shake. This is especially helpful during the loading phase, but works anytime. After training, your muscles are primed to soak up nutrients. Perfect time for creatine. Even if you just take it with water, you'll still get results. Pairing it with meals or shakes is an easy way to optimize absorption. Small tweak, big payoff. Once your muscles are full, it's all about maintenance. No more big doses, just 5 grams a day keeps your levels topped up. Any extra is wasted, so stick to the small scoop. Think of it like watering a plant. After the initial soak, just a little water keeps it healthy. This makes creatine one of the easiest, most cost-effective supplements. One tub lasts months at this dose. No complicated schedule, just 1 scoop a day, every day. Mix it with your smoothie, shake, or water, whatever fits your routine. Consistency is key. Keep it simple and let creatine do its job. That's all you need. Should you cycle creatine, take breaks every few weeks? Science says no. Your body doesn't build a tolerance to creatine like it does with caffeine. As long as you keep taking your daily dose, you keep the benefits. If you stop, your muscle levels drop and you lose the performance boost. Then you have to start all over again. Cycling is unnecessary and counterproductive. The best approach: take 5 grams every day, training or rest day. This keeps your muscles full and your performance high. No need to complicate things. Stay consistent for the best results. Does timing matter? Not as much as you think. The most important thing is taking creatine every day. Consistency beats perfect timing. Creatine works by building up in your muscles, not by giving an instant boost. If you want to be extra precise, some research suggests taking it around your workout, before or after, might be slightly better. But the difference is small. The best time is whenever you'll remember to take it. Mix it with your pre- or post-workout shake for convenience. If you forget and take it at night, that's fine too. Don't stress about timing, just be consistent. That's what really matters. It's totally normal to have doubts when you start something new, especially with supplements like creatine. You might wonder, what if it doesn't work for me? The truth is, some people don't see dramatic results from creatine. These non-responders usually already have high muscle creatine levels, often thanks to their genetics or lifestyle. If you eat a lot of red meat or follow a protein-rich diet, your muscles might already be saturated with creatine. That's perfectly normal. And it's not a flaw in the supplement or in you. It just means your body is already topped up, so you might not notice as big a change as someone starting with lower levels. Another common worry is hair loss. Maybe you've heard rumors or read online that creatine causes your hair to thin or fall out, but here's the reality: the science doesn't support this fear. The idea comes from a single, small study that's never been repeated or confirmed. Most research shows creatine is safe for the vast majority of people. It doesn't cause hair loss, and it's one of the most studied sports supplements out there. If you have any health concerns, talk to your doctor, but for most, creatine is a safe addition to your routine. Remember, creatine is a tool to help you reach your goals. It's not a miracle cure or a shortcut to instant results. It can give you a small edge, but it won't replace hard work or dedication. To get the most out of creatine, you still need to focus on the basics. Train hard, eat nutritious foods, and stay consistent with your workouts. Supplements can support your journey, but they can't do the work for you. Don't expect magic from any supplement. Real progress comes from showing up, pushing yourself, and making healthy choices day after day. The sweat, the effort, and the discipline you put in are what truly drive results. Make sure you're fueling your body with balanced meals, giving yourself time to recover, and getting enough sleep. These habits matter just as much, if not more, than any supplement you take. Add your daily creatine to your routine, stay patient, and trust the process. Results take time, but consistency pays off. Remember, the real heroes of your fitness journey are your effort and your consistency. Every workout, every meal, every healthy choice adds up. Creatine just gives you a little extra push. It's the cherry on top of your hard work. Stick with your plan, celebrate your progress, and remember that real change happens over weeks and months, not overnight. So, trust yourself, stay committed, and get out there. Your next great workout is waiting for you.